Get acquainted with the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed mid-size pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, premium sound system, remote engine start, V6 cylinder engine, Bedliner, fog lamps. Feel the adrenaline of adventure when you're on the trail in this Gladiator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.